Okay, Mayor, I'll get her.
Uh-oh, wait! We're stalling! That turbulence must have put us at a bad angle.
Sky, you know what to do. Let the plane throttle.
I'm on it!
This message is sent at the request of the primary entry point system. A satellite has spotted a large asteroid heading inbounds to North, Central and South America, majorly targeting the very middle countries in Central America. The United States is in the orange zone, meaning that it's in high danger and the chances of death can radically change. For more information, visit satelliteamerica.gov to see which countries are in a certain zone. The asteroid is expected to hit at 2:48 p.m., which is just a few hours before the situation comes to effect. Tune into a radio station or TV for live information regarding the event. All channels that are not news channels may return to normal programming, while the news and forecasts may also return to normal schedule but may need to give more details about the event. Thank you for paying close attention. This is a message from the primary entry point system.